making another Minecraft hour of code video. So what I've seen from our last video, it's got very good reviews, so let's get into this video. So we did Minecraft Adventure last time. So I have a video for Minecraft Designer that's going to be out soon. But today we're going to be working on Minecraft Hero's Journey. And the description for this is Journey through Minecraft with code. So let's start. Okay, this is a video. Okay, so today we're going to be Alex. Okay, so our instructions are: the door is locked, but the agent is here to help. Snap a move forward block to the bottom of the when run block in the workspace to get the agent to the pressure plate. And then press run and use the arrow keys to move out of the house to collect the chest. Okay, so let's see. So we want the agent to move forward. And then we want to go get that. So what we're gonna be doing in this, we're gonna be like pretty much hanging out, and this is gonna be very fun. Rather than our usual way we do our projects. Oh, it's the thing over there. Oh, okay. Okay. So yeah. Congratulations. You found the diamond path. You have collected 1 diamond so far. Alex is headed on an adventure. To help get the map behind the locked door on the right, snap the code into the workspace to move the agent to the pressure plate so that Alex can get through. Okay. Oh, okay, so we want him to move forward. So I think this is what we're supposed to do. Okay. So, okay, now our instructions are: Alex continues on the adventure and needs the compass to prepare for the trip. Code the agent to open the gate. So we want it to move forward 4 times. Or, yep, move forward 4 times. The agent can hover over water, but the player can't. Okay. The agent can move across water. Use a repeat loop to solve this puzzle and help Alex get the bucket behind the door. So, we have to move forward, move forward, move forward, move forward again, move forward, move forward, and one last move forward. So, let's see if this is what we're supposed to do. Oh yeah. So now we need to go get the bucket. So this puzzle just wanted us to use the agent to get the pressure plate so that we can go get a bucket. In this hero's journey part, we're going to be using the agent to touch these pressure plates so that Alex can get around. It might not be Alex in your case, but for me it is Alex. Okay, so it says, you made it across. Now get Alex safely through the maze to collect the axe. Okay, so now we have to make the agent move forward and move forward, turn right, And then move forward another 2 times, I believe. So let's see. Oh, oops. Oh no, the bridge is out. Code the agent to rebuild the bridge using the place block so that Alex can get to the shovel. Okay. So, what we want to do is we want to repeat 3 times, which is move forward, place oak planks. So let's see. Okay. Hour of code Minecraft is more of logic commands. So let's see. Okay. Another river, but this one is much wider. Fix this code to help the agent build a bridge so that Alex can get to the pickaxe. Okay, so it's got repeat 3 times, but we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's see. A function named buildBridge is in your workspace. All of the code you need to cross the river is built right in. Snap the small green buildBridge block into your workspace twice to fix the path and get Alex to the redstone torch. So where's the redstone torch? Oh, it's right there, right? So what it wants us to do is snap the build bridge block in. So we have so I think we're supposed to put the build bridge blocks here. So let's see what happens now. So where is the there it is. Okay. So on to our 9th puzzle. So now let's see what we have to do. Okay, there's ice in the way. The clear path function can help you destroy the ice and get Alex to the minecart. Okay, so clear path. Oh, so we have to do it 3 times. Okay. So yeah, as you can see, as you learn, it's gonna get easier and easier. So I hope you tried this out as well. The hour of code is really fun. So yeah. Wait, what? So wait, what do we need to do? Destroying block, moving forward, and placing gravel. Do we need to change this function or let's see. As always, you can go hit this light bulb to get a hint. So let's see. Okay, we already knew that, so let's ask another hint. Okay, let's use our last hint. Oh, okay. So, I think we do clear path, move forward, and then move forward here. So let's see what happens. And maybe we need to do another move forward here. So let's check. Yeah, as you can see, it might be a little hard, but it's a good thing to always test and get it right. Okay, as you can see, after using a lot of my time and a lot of hard work, I finally gotten through the 9th puzzle. So let's see, the 10th puzzle. So we're on the second to last puzzle now. Okay, there. It says, can you spot the difference between the two functions in your workspace? Use these functions with other code from the toolbox to clear a path for the minecart. Then collect the flint and steel. So, okay. So first, it needs to turn to our left and fix a short path. So let's just see what happens. Wait. Oh. Wait, I think I know what to do. So we have to turn left, move forward 2 times, fix a short path, and let's see what happens. Okay, so that would mean we would want him to turn to the right, move forward, I believe, and then fix a long path. So let's just see how that goes. So okay. Okay, there you go. Okay, we're on to our last puzzle for today. So, okay, it says, look at the functions below. How can you use them to avoid the ghasts and help Alex make it safely to the enchanted book? So, let's see. First, I would want to build a short bridge, I would believe. Okay, and then we want to move forward 2 times and build another short bridge. So let's see what happens. Shall we? So this puzzle. Wait, what? Why is it not letting me do that? Oh, okay. The thing is higher. So we have to build a short bridge, destroy the block. Let's see what happens. Oh, okay, then we have to move forward. And now, and then I believe we need to build a short bridge again. Am I right? Okay. Then I guess I'll just have to move forward and place another act. Okay. Okay. So we have completed all our puzzles for today. So what we have learned today is we learned how to use the agent to help us guide through our hero's quest. So hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in the next video. Bye.